And despite Washington's historically high seatbelt use rates, the number of fatalities and serious injuries involving individuals not wearing seatbelts has reached its highest level since 2010. To combat this concerning trend, the Washington Traffic Safety Commission has launched their annual campaign deploying emphasis patrols from May 20th to June 2nd, and Yakima is among the police departments participating. These patrols are specifically targeting drivers who are not wearing their seatbelts or have a child passenger in incorrect car seats.
If you are pulled over and you're not wearing your seatbelt, or you have minors or children under 13 in the passenger seat, or children that aren't seated in their child seat, you can expect to receive a ticket for it.
If you receive a ticket, you could be fined as much as $145. Well, if you have a story you'd like us to look into, let us know on our tip line. Send an email to tips@kimatv.com. You can also call us at 575-KIMA. Make sure to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, X, and our YouTube channel.